Hi everybody, DJ's Go AC here, and I am going to be doing a series of videos on the restoration projects. You see, when I pick up a gas mask, sometimes the gas mask is broken. So what I am going to do is restore it to its former glory, like the M-50. It came with one self-sealing valve disc. This thing right here. What I am going to do is get a pair of these online and put them on each side. Then I'm going to get filters for me to test it. What's so important about these is because it protects you from when you are changing the filters. Let's test. Let's put on the mask. I need a haircut. Okay. You see how I can't breathe through this filter port? And I can breathe through this one? That's because the disc valve is not there. No, 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 no. So, let me make this clear to anyone. When you deal with gas masks restoration, you got to be careful not to break it. Okay? So, I would say again, be careful not to break the mask any further than it already is. So, what I'm going to do with this one, basically I'm thinking about just playing with it a little, like fidget with it. For when I get a couple more, a pair of those, and then get filters for it, for this mask. So, this is part 1 of my restoration videos. And I will show you how to restore the M-50 gas mask. This is DJ Skull AC, signing off. And I'm sorry that I didn't make a lot of videos lately. I've been busy doing stuff. So, yeah. This is DJ Skull AC, signing off.